morning, children. This is Ravan from KGB Chinnagu. Now today we are going to discussing about the lesson of the first unit in 10th class. Before entering into the lesson, I have to share with you some of the story with you. The story is reframing of our thoughts when we want to reflect our things we can. That's why only I have to share this small story with you. Look at here. All of you know this is a rose flower. And how do we feel when we saw a rose plant? Wow, it's like a wow, it's a rose flowers, birds, plants are there. Almost all so many members are liking the rose flowers. Okay. Now, when we saw a rose plant, we can see three things are there. Is it right? When we saw a rose plant, we can see three things. They are the rose and the birds and also some of the thorns are there. So how do we feel? We can see the three things. Roses, birds and also thorns. When we have to see the rose, we are feeling very pleasant feeling. We have to feel very pleasant feeling. And when we are going to the birds, when we have to see the birds, we are patiently waiting for blossoms. When it was blossom, that's why only we have to waiting for blossoms some of the time to blossom the birds. And also next we have to go into the thorns. Thorns are maybe unpleasant feeling. We have to see it unpleasant and sometimes it may hurt to us. Is it right or wrong? Thorns are hurts us because of when we are going to the rose tree near, we have to want the flower. We have to cut that flower. Sometimes the thorns are hurts to us. So simply what I am said, we have to achieve the rose flower. We have to get waiting for the blossoms and we have to take the challenges to the thorns. In the same time, simply what I said, roses are the strengths, positives and successes. And the birds are opportunities and potential and also areas of growth. And the thorns are our negatives, weaknesses and some challenges. Just like these type of three things are we have to include in our daily lives. Just roses are our strengths and our positives and successes. And birds are opportunities. Just we have to think the birds are opportunities. And the thorns are negative feelings. And our negative feelings and our weakness. And also we have to take some of the challenges. For example, if you want to get a success in your life, if you want to reach your goal, you may have to accept the challenges. You may have to accept the challenges. And after that, we are removing our negative feelings. We have to remove our negative feelings. Sometimes we have to get some of the challenges. We don't accept that one. And we have to feeling, I can't do. That is not my work. This is a big work to me. So I can't able to do that one. That's like we are feeling in our mind. So we have to remove that type of negative feelings. We have to remove the negative feelings. And also we have to create the opportunities and we have to accept the opportunities. And after that we have to feeling I can do. I can do and I am able to do that work. Just like we have to feel in our mind. Such a positive feeling we have to get in our mind. Finally you have to get a strength to do the work. When your mind inside having a positive feeling to have in your mind, automatically you have to get a strength in your mind to reach your success. Okay, you have to take the challenges and remove your negative feelings and you have to accept the opportunities and also you can feel in your mind, in inner mind also and out minds. You have to feeling the positive feeling in your mind, and also you have to get strength. You have to achieve the strength. You have to accept the strength to the work, and finally you did it. You have to achieve your goal, and you have to get a success. So finally, here is the success is there. Finally, what I am saying, you have to entering into the our lesson. Success are not coming to easily. When we are achieving into the one of your goal and anything in your life, success are coming to very not easily. You have to try again, and you have to get a more than struggles in your life, and finally you get a success. So we are entering into the our lesson is every success story is also a story of great failures. This lesson is part from the unit 1 personality development. This is the part from of the unit personality development. The lesson name is be reading. Every success story is also a story of great failures. Okay, now we are entering into our lessons. Every success story is also a story of great failures. This is a very interesting lesson to you, and also it is very helpful to in your lives to get your achievements. You have to successful. This is the very most important lesson and also very useful lesson to in your life. When we are entering into the lesson, we have to know about the author of the every success story is also a story of great failures. Who is the author of this lesson? He is the Shiv Khera. Shiv Khera is the author of the lesson. Basically, he was born in business family, and that business is they are having a business coal mines. Shiv Khera is the author of the lesson, and basically he was born in business family. In that business was coal mining business. Nationalization after government has taken away their coal mines. In our country inside, the government has taken away their coal business when after nationalization, and this time the family was sustained from livelihood because of they doesn't have any business and they doesn't have any works. So this time they have to struggle for living, and that's why the Shiv Khera was going into the some other works like car washer and LIC agent, some of the franchise officers. That's like he was going to the some other works. And that time only he came to becoming an author. When he was in US, in that place, Norman Vincent Peale. He was inspired by his lectures to write the books. In that time only he can write some of the own books, own writing. In that book was he can write You Can Win. This is one of the most book for the Shiv Khera was written this book, You Can Win. In the lesson also taken by from the every success story is also a great story is also taken by the in this type of book.